Did you know there are actually 3 different ways to get monetized on YouTube? It's not just one. Because this is a monetized channel, I've recently had a lot of questions about making money on YouTube. Why not show you so you can do it too? I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do to start making money on YouTube. The 3 different levels of monetization, and no, you don't need to wait until you hit 1,000 subscribers to start making money on YouTube. As well as something that you need to avoid doing. You definitely should not do, because doing this and trying to get your channel monetized can get your account deleted from YouTube. Make sure you watch to the end, because I'm also going to show you something really awesome that can help you grow your YouTube even faster. If you're new here, my name is Jillian, and on this channel you'll find videos all about online teaching. So like companies, social media marketing, how to make money online as an online teacher. So if you like that kind of content, be sure to light up the subscribe button and tap that bell notification so you are the first to know. I have had a YouTube channel since 2019, but I never thought that I was going to be a YouTuber. The only reason I started posting videos online was to help other online teachers like me get bookings in companies that they were already hired at. And my first videos were garbage. But as I started doing it, my channel started growing and I started to actually really enjoy doing it. I got to help a lot of people all at the same time. And then I got monetized, which was like a little benefit because it meant that I started to get paid for something I was already doing for free. What is monetized? If your YouTube channel is monetized, it means that it's earning you money in some capacity. There are actually 3 levels of being monetized, and I don't think they have names, so I'm going to call them full monetized, mini monetized, and self-monetized. Those sound like good names. So first, let's talk about full monetized. This is the one that when you hear people saying like, yes, I got monetized, this is the one they're talking about. If you are full monetized on YouTube, that means that you can get money from all the ways on YouTube, including ads. When an ad plays before, during, or after your videos, you're going to get a chunk of income from that. Like YouTube's gonna give you some money. Let's take this video, for example. The CPM is $54.93. So CPM is cost per 1,000. That means for every 1,000 views, advertisers are paying YouTube $54.93. The RPM is $26.70. So every 1,000 views, this video will still earn $26.70. And that probably doesn't seem like a lot to you. And it's really not just for one video. But say this video got 10,000 views. It means I just got $267 just for that video. If I got 100,000 views, I could be making $2,670. So if you just think a video like this getting 1 million views, like some channels get, like some YouTubers are making some really good money. Now, every niche, every subject, every video, every day, it's all going to have a different CPM or RPM. So some videos might be higher than this, some might be lower than this. This was just a random video from a random day that I picked to show you what it looks like. Now you probably know that not every YouTube user watches ads, but if you're full monetized, YouTube premium views count too. Once you are eligible, you will need to have an Adsense account and apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Once you join the Partner Program, there are other ways that you can earn money on YouTube as well. We've also got memberships, shopping, and supers. With YouTube memberships, you can upload exclusive content for members only. So if you had, for example, a channel that was teaching English, you could upload extra lessons for your students who are members to your channel, who pay a membership fee to get that exclusive content. Supers are extras that your audience can give you. So it's almost like tipping. And you can also add shopping to your channel where you can sell your merch right on your channel. I'm not going to get too much into supers, memberships, and shopping. If you want me to do another video on these, let me know in the comments and I will make a whole video talking just about the supers. How do you get full monetized? It always used to be 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 365 days, but they changed that a while ago. So if you're doing shorts, you can get it by having 1,000 subscribers and 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. So if you're really good at shorts, but not feeling the long form content, you can use YouTube short views as the alternative to getting monetized. I'll tell you though that reaching 4,000 watch hours in a year is much easier than reaching 10 million shorts views in 90 days. That's just my experience and the experience of most other creators, but hey, if you love doing shorts, give it a shot. If you're not sure how far you are from being full monetized, it's really easy to check. You just go on your phone. Download the YouTube Studio, click on Earn, and it's going to show you. So how far are you from being full monetized? Let me know in the comments. Are you just starting out? Are you halfway there? Are you almost there? Are you already monetized? Now, when you go to YouTube Studio to check this, you're going to see another monetization option if you're not monetized yet. And this is what I'm going to call mini monetize. Mini monetize means that you can't make AdSense money or money from ads and YouTube premium watches, but you can still have supers, shopping, and memberships. Qualify for mini monetization, you only need 500 subscribers, 3 uploads in the last 90 days, and either 3,000 watch hours in the last 365 days, or 3 million shorts views in the last 90 days. There is one more way that you can get monetized, but before we get into that, I want to show you a little trick that I use so you can hit those numbers. So I use this tool called VidIq. VidIq is available both as an app and as a Chrome extension, and it basically goes into your YouTube and it analyzes everything about your YouTube channel. It will go into your analytics. It gives you suggestions on how to improve your videos to rank better in the search. And it even has some really cool built-in AI features. But even cooler than that, they will tell you what videos your viewers want to watch, what videos you should make. You can even track your competitors. Yep, that's right. You can ask VidIq to track someone that's making the same kinds of videos that you're making, and it will tell you how many subs, views, and views per hour that channel is getting. Oh no, Katie's coming for me. I better make a video soon. And once you get into the app, you can set a goal, track your progress, and even take training inside the app that's going to show you exactly what you need to know about YouTube so that you're performing good enough to get your videos seen and ranking on YouTube. If you want to try it, I've got a link in the description box so you can get started with it. Last level of monetize. This one is really cool because it's actually in your hands. You don't have to wait for a certain number of subs or watch hours or shorts views. You literally just have to do it. And what's really cool about it is that you can actually do this on full monetization, mini monetization, or like not yet monetized by YouTube. The majority of my subscribers are online teachers. This is a win-win. You already have something to sell. You just need to use YouTube to do it. Tell your audience about the classes that you have. Tell them to click the link in the description box to sign up or join a class. As your YouTube grows, YouTube just starts to organically push out your class information to more people. They expose you. So for example, say you're teaching business English and you have a business English channel. So what you're going to do is you're going to make videos on YouTube that are teaching the people that you want to teach something that they want to know about business English. And then you're going to invite them to your business English live or pre-recorded lessons. I honestly believe that every single online teacher that is serious about making this a business should have a YouTube channel. Pretty much the whole world is on YouTube, and it's owned by Google. So Google will start getting your videos out to people who search for certain things too. And you don't need a bazillion subscribers to have a successful business on YouTube. You can make money and start getting students with only like a handful of loyal subscribers. At some point, and let me know if this has ever happened to you, somebody's going to send you an email and offer you services to grow your YouTube channel. You can go on Fiverr and you can hire people to grow your channel. And you can also buy channels that already have a lot of subscribers. Don't do it. Don't do it. These people are usually just adding a ton of like fake subscribers to your channel, and they're gonna tell you that these are real subscribers. But YouTube is not stupid. They don't play games, and they know what you're doing. They know what these other people are doing. So if you have a channel that got fake subscribers, you bought it or bought the subscribers, they're going to know, and the second that you make the requirements, they're going to deny your AdSense account. They're going to say, no, you can't be monetized ever, and they might even delete your account. So I know it sounds really, really cool, but you're just gonna be spending money to take a huge risk. And in addition to that, you're not actually learning how to use YouTube, and you're not actually going to grow. Even if you did happen to get monetized from this and you got to prove they were real followers, you're stuck there unless you buy followers. By the way, if you're an online teacher and you want to learn more about growing a business teaching something online, then make sure you join our group, Online Teacher Success and Support. This group has, almost 37,000 online teachers, I think, that are in this group. And these are teachers from all around the world that are teaching different things. So if you want to find a company, find a job to work for, if you want to find students, learn social media marketing like YouTube, Facebook. I'll put the link in the description box, so make sure you come join us if you haven't already. And if you're thinking of starting a kids channel to get monetized, make sure you watch this video next. I go over how you can monetize a kids YouTube channel specifically.